English 121, Web Sources, from the Allen and Bacon Guide, pages 514 to 525. The web is a rhetorical medium that differs in significant ways from print. First of all, the web is cheap. It's much less expensive to post something on the internet than it is to publish a book or magazine. Secondly, access. Websites can't begin attracting readers until the readers have found them through links from another site or through a hit from a web search. Third, structure and design. The design of a home page, the arrangement and size of the print, the use of images and colors, the locations and labels of navigational buttons, must hook readers immediately and send a clear message about the purpose and contents of the site. In the web's hypertext structure, readers click from link to link rather than reading linearly on the page. Be sure to evaluate the websites you encounter to determine the usefulness of a site or source for your own purpose. Consider the rhetorical situation. What was the purpose, or why was it placed on the internet? Try to find the mission or about pages by navigating from the home page, or try to access other identifying information. Consider who the writer is, who sponsors the site, who placed this piece on the web, what is that sponsor's purpose in creating the site. Think about the genre. What kind of website is it? What is the site's purpose? Think about the differences in domain types for .com, .net, .org, .edu, .gov, .mil, etc. Ask yourself these questions. Who sponsors the site and what is that sponsor's purpose in creating the site? Is the source objective or is it explicit in declaring its point of view? Is the site comprehensive and deep enough or does it offer sufficient evidence? Is the information accurate and verifiable and is the source current? Finally, analyze your own purposes for using a website. Consider the differences between primary and secondary sources. Primary sources involve information that you've gathered yourself, perhaps through an experiment or survey of some kind. Secondary sources, on the other hand, provide information that someone else has gathered and written about, then published for dissemination among interested readers. These have typically been through some sort of editorial review process and are therefore very reliable. Consider these features of web sources in order to conduct effective research.